Hello friends, in this video I'll make a review of this wireless microphone. Let's begin. I bought this very cheap from China, was about 2 USDs, and I bought it to test. So let's see what we have here. It says it's plug and play, 20 meters distance, high sound quality, clear quality, high sensitive, and widely compatible. So let's see what we have inside. So here we have the microphone, and this is the receiver. Receiver also has additional connector for charging the telephone. And here we have a charging cable. This is the manual, so it's half English, half Chinese. First of all, let's charge this while we are talking. Red LED is on, it means it's charging now. First half of the video I will talk about this microphone, and second half I will connect this microphone and I will use this to verify the quality. Now I will use this microphone and I will read you this manual. This is the second part of the video, and now I am using this microphone, and I hope the sound quality is good. I will see it just after I will edit this video. So green LED is on, that means this microphone is connected to the base unit. If it's blinking, then it needs to be paired. Now I will put this microphone closer, and let's make a quick review of this user manual. That's usual stuff. I bought USB-C base unit, but I presume that you can buy other version with micro USB or Apple. Special note: for use of USB-C port, there is no battery in Type-C receiver and no need to recharge during live. If the phone is low power during live, it can be recharged directly through auxiliary Type-C port. Here we have the functions of the LED. It's very simple. I don't think it's professional, but I hope that this have a good enough quality. If you are using this microphone, please write a comment and tell us what you think about it. And if you have any questions, please put it in a comment. And if you made it so far, please give a big like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.